Buying eFootball coins with debit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how. You guys can buy football coins using the debit card, so for that you simply have to go your to football application. Now in the football application you have to wait until it loads. Now here you have to go to the home page. I just tapped and it will take me to the home page. Now in the home page you simply have to tap on this show icon and it will take you to the shop. Here you simply have just like eFootball coins, and here you will be at the football coins page. Now here you have to select the amount you want to buy it. Suppose I'm gonna buy these 260, so I'm going to click on that and it will load up my order. Now here as you can see it wants me to put a debit or credit card which should be linked with my Google Play, so I'm going to click on Android and debit card and I can put my debit card information right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this would have 4